What's going on, guys? Connor Wells here. Hope you're all good. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. If you are new around here, do hit that subscribe button and turn notification bells on, as that really does help the channel grow. And welcome back to React and Review. This is an ongoing series on my channel where I share my thoughts on some songs for the first listen. And this time we're listening to the new single by Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. It's off their Black Star Dancing EP and it's called Sail On. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me for another video. I hope you're all having a brilliant day. And yeah, welcome back to React and Review. These videos have been doing pretty well. I've gained like a ton of subscribers and surpassed 500 subscribers, so thank you very much everybody who's subscribed. That's a really cool milestone to reach for an up and coming little music channel. So yeah, thank you very much. Anyway, let's get into this new single by Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds. This is like my second video on the Gallagher brothers, and this is a song called Sail On. As I always say in these videos, it's the first time listening to this song, so any of my reactions and thoughts are literally of a first listen. Let's get into it. Interesting intro. Hey, here we go. Drums. Ooh, right off the bat there. It took a while for the instrumentation to come in, but that sounds really country. That banjo and, you know, those 4 on the floor drums, that is really country. Oh, I like this. That is instantly recognisable. It sounds, the thing with Noel and this song, it sounds new, it sounds fresh, but it also sounds like classic Noel Gallagher. Oh, I love that. That's a really nice lyric. Tell the world I'm gonna miss them, but I've got to find a place where I belong. I love that. That is really nice. I love this. That melody and the lyrics, it just flows so perfectly. Like, you got to give credit to Noel. He is a quality songwriter. Like, despite him writing Wonderwall, he's still an amazing songwriter. This is a proper driving down a country road song. This is brilliant. And this is the most popular song on the EP so far. Like, obviously the Black Star Dancing EP is the title, and that's the first track he released. But this song, Sail On, is actually the most streamed song on the EP. Interesting. Oh, I like that. I like that, like, sort of delay echo thing. That's quality. Oh, I love that banjo. It fits the song so well. It's really good. I love that. And a nice chord change there as well. Really nice chord changes. These chords are slightly different to what you expect Noel to hear. You know, on his first album, Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds, the chords all pretty much sounded the same. You know, they all had that sort of same tone to them. It changed a bit on Chasing Yesterday. Wasn't a big fan of Who Built the Moon, but this is quality. I'm really looking forward to hearing how the rest of the EP sounds as well. Oh, I love that bit. I love that sort of echoey sort of delay on that last line of the pre-chorus. That's quality. Classic Noel, because he always uses a lot of reverb on his mix and his master on the songs, and it just suits him so well. Yeah. That's brilliant. I love this. Like, even on a first listen, this song is actually really, really catchy. I can proper, like, picture myself driving down, like, a country sort of dirt road, arm on the window, open, just singing along to it. This is quality. This is an awesome song. I love this. I wish it was longer. It seems to be getting a bit quieter. Oh, it sounds like all the instruments are dropping out. The bass line seems to have continued though. Let's see. Oh no, it's just all fading out, going back to that rain. And then just the last instrument fading out there sounds like a Fender Rhodes, so that's quality. And then back to that rain. Oh, that's the end. Oh, I wanted more. That is quality. I really, really like that song. I'm impressed. Like, when Noel first released like the video and the single for Black Star Dancing, you know, it was interesting. Very, very different sound, you know, sort of that 80s disco vibe. And the album cover as well looked a little bit like David Bowie's last album called Black Star, obviously. Really, really similar. I know Bowie was a really big influence on Noel Gallagher, but this is quality. It's a proper country song, I think. This could be like a new Old Town Road. Will it go in the country charts? That's a really, really good song. I've always been a fan of Noel Gallagher and his solo albums, especially his first one and his second one. They were quality. But this is really interesting. I really like this. I wonder if he's going to do like an album, or if this is just literally a collection of 5 songs that he just wants to release as an EP. Really, really good. As I always do in these videos, I give the song a rating out of 10. I'm going to give this an 8, man. Really, really good. I like this. One thing that I'd love is, you know, that last chorus to have just a little bit more oomph, a bit fuller sound. But other than that, it's quality. The harmonies on it were really nice during the, you know, the sail on bit. You could hear like a nice sort of higher harmony. But that was really, really good. A proper country bop, innit? Let me know what your thoughts are of this song in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the Conor Wells channel, do hit that subscribe button as well. It'd be lovely to have you on board. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.